My name is Vinny, and my name is Vivi. We're going to open up this brand new bread box. Yeah, we love all kinds of bread.
What is it? It's a machine?
Yeah. Hold on. Let's do this. Whoa! What is that? Why you got this in it? I think. Hold on, let me get it.
What is the name of the machine? Can you read it for me? Oh yeah, and it's Vertigo Plus.
Yeah. Oh.
And it comes with recipe book. Woo! What is this? Oh, wait.
Hey, some tape.
Awesome. Okay, can you unbox the rest of it?
The machine is so heavy, I can't even kill it.
I will help you.
Okay, we're back to this video. Look at this! And look! A new machine! What the? I've never seen this kind of. Whoa! There's some tape on it again. I got it. Some button. Why is a tape so wiggly? And we can press buttons on it. I can't even open.
There's one more.
Huh? Oh! How do I open this box? This box is. Why is.
Oh, this is measuring cups. Oh, look at that, guys.
Oh, look at this.
Okay, wait. Oh, even has this one. The little one.
Spoons.
Yes. And what is this?
That's a measuring cup.
Yeah, the big one. So it comes with 3.
Yeah.
Okay, what else?
Mints.
Let me see.
We have
Okay,
this.
so that's the bread thing. And do you know that we can bake the bread on top as well? Yes. Can you read this for me? What it says?
L.
Cancel?
Cancel.
What about this one?
Start.
Okay, so we have a cancel and start. So maybe you can help me later bake our first bread?
Let's try it.
Oh yeah? And there are so many things here.
We're gonna make a project right
see.
after we do this.
Oh, there's so many courses that we can
use
do.
this.
Wait a second.
Where did it go, guys?
Okay. I'm so excited.
And watch.
And actually, I was expecting even bigger machine, but this is so good. I like it so far.
I can read this way.
And those things. Oh yes, Vivi. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Vivi.
Actually, guys, look. I found a new thing.
Yes, and this one goes inside right here.
Oh, I
Yes. Can you put it over there?
Like this? That even.
Yes. Do you know what is this for?
I think it's for cutting the bread.
No, it's not the cutting. It's mixing.
Oh, mixing
See?
the bread.
It's mixing the bread. Yes. And there are 2, so
Press.
that's gonna make it even easier, Mama.
Press.
Yes. It looks so
They're
good.
making it even bigger, guys.
Okay, so that's all. Where's the book?
Oh.
Where's the recipe book?
Oh.
Oh, you already took it away? Can you bring it to me?
Oh, look right here. Oh, Applegate. Oh, there they are. I guess we missed them. I guess they're gonna we find them. Look at this. Sorry myself. Let's open these.
Can you open it?
I open it. I'm gonna open my own. Hey. Yay. Open. Yay.
Ja, da vidíme.
Look at all the foods we can make. Oh,
Let me see.
Look at this ingredient. Set the bug.
Oh, okay. So you can do it by yourself. You can watch, measure the ingredients, and put them in.
We learned this at school.
Did you?
But school closed because there's a terrible virus here
Yes.
in Las Vegas.
So
All over the city, people stay at home. It tells us.
that's why we're going to do our own bread.
It tells us where to go to next to the bread.
Yes. Okay, guys. So let's see the machine again.
And this says recipe.
Yes. So we have 2 books, right?
One for her, one for me.
We have what is this?
Measuring spoons.
Okay.
A measuring cup.
And
Measuring spoons.
another measuring spoon.
And then look, guys, we have a cup for bread and close open. And look what I have in it.
Okay, guys. Are you ready to go to the kitchen and make our bread?
I already opened this. Yeah.
Great. Let's do it.
Open the bread. You can open
And teamwork.
Vivi,
we're waiting for you. Teamwork. Teamwork. Let's make bread. Woo!